Hey, hi. In this tutorial, we'll watch how we can download Ruby and install it. So you can search in Google Ruby and you can go here and download. You can click the red button, download, and follow the instruction and install Ruby. Once you install Ruby, you will be having a Ruby version. So here is my version. You can run three ways Ruby. First one is uh, in the terminal itself. Uh, you can run Ruby in the terminal using Ruby E, and if I want to put, uh, you can do this, and also you can run via the Ruby script. So you can uh, you can run by Ruby file as well, and also you can use the interactive Ruby shell. So, so if I want to run this file, I just need to do Ruby and mention the file name. Hello, it runs as expected. And also, if you want to enter the interactive Ruby, you need to enter IRB. Then you can perform any operation. So, or you can put 2 3. So here is how like you interact with Ruby.